Color property and background color property of CSS. Hello there. Today we are going to learn how to use the property of CSS design language in order to modify the text color and background color of web elements using inline style attribute. To do this, let's first launch the Notepad application and open an untitled file. We have already learned to write down the basic codes for developing a new web page. Now, to include CSS style in an HTML document, we will use inline style syntaxes. A CSS style syntax requires a selector, CSS property name, and color value. A selector is a particular HTML element or tag in a HTML document. Next, for ascertaining color value, we can use any one of the following methods. 1. Color name. We directly use color name like red, green, yellow, etc. 2. Hexadecimal RGB values. It is a 6-digit code preceded by hash symbol. It is specified as hash RRGGBB, where RR red, GG green, and BB blue are hexadecimal values between 00 and FF. Hash FF0000 displays red color. Hash 00FF00 displays green, and hash 0000FF displays blue. RGB value method, where the color can be denoted as a function such as RGB bracket 255, 0, 0 bracket for red, or RGB bracket 0, 255, 0 bracket for green, etc. Let's begin with color property in CSS. It formats the color of the text in a web page. We can build the general CSS syntax for this attribute by using color name method with selector h1. Type within the start tag of h1 space style equal to space color colon yellow. Now we will add the background color property to another element h2. For this, use the hexadecimal color value method. Type the following syntax: space style equal to space background dash color colon hash 00FF00. We have successfully added both CSS properties to an HTML element. Let's view the final output now. Hooray! We have changed the text color and background color of the web elements. Wasn't that interesting? Do explore these in your lab sessions. Thank you.